Security forces have ramped up operations across Manipur's hill and valley districts, conducting extensive search operations and area domination exercises to maintain order and safety in the region. The initiatives are focused on fringe and vulnerable areas, aiming to curb any potential threats and ensure the stability of the state. To secure the movement of essential supplies, authorities facilitated the passage of 320 vehicles transporting necessary items along National Highway No. 2. Strict security protocols have been implemented in all high-risk areas, with additional convoy escorts arranged for sensitive segments of the highway to guarantee the uninterrupted and safe transit of goods. As part of the heightened security measures, a network of 109 checkpoints or nakas have been set up across various districts, spanning both the hill and valley regions. The checkpoints are aimed at maintaining strict surveillance and enforcing compliance with the law. During the operation, 7 individuals were detained by the police for violations in different districts.